Today, I had a meeting with one of the leading infra consulting companies. The company is there for over 60 years now, and we were interacting with the second generation of managing directors. And we suddenly, it struck me that, branding is no more optional. Branding is becoming very, very, very important, all the more critical for B2B marketing. Why we think that branding is no more optional in present times? Because there is an influx of communication. The content is distributed at multiple spaces, and people are no more looking for options. In fact, they are bombarded with content when they are looking for just the right partner. And branding is something that bridges that gap, because through branding you can actually establish a narrative, communicate clearly, distinguish yourself, demarcate how you make the difference and why the person should be choosing you over your competitor. So that's what I was reflecting on when I was listening to them, and we were discussing, why we need a narrative shift, why what worked, 30 years ago is no more working, why there is a struggle in establishing what they've been doing, because they have been doing some of the greatest work that we know about in the country, but they are not able to establish that through their communication, because there is a gap that has emerged in the branding and that needs to be filled up. That is why branding is no more optional. You are existing, you are doing good business, but you are still not the chosen one. You have joined the clutter, people who know you know distinguishing factors, but otherwise nowhere to be found. There is no awareness around it, there is no visibility around it, because you have not worked on the brand. You just created a business, built it, and you existed. So why branding is no more optional? Because you really need to find or give people the reason, why you should be chosen over your competitor. Currently, we are in the times where a lot of businesses are going for decorporatizing. That is one of the trending keywords. Or like I usually say, it is time we need to humanize the brands. So the present times actually demand, human-led branding, content-led branding. It is no more about, a good design and a good messaging or a jingle and the job is done. People are engaging with people all the more in the present times, and to humanize your brand you need to have content-led branding. These days branding is no more just a tactic, it's a strategy. You need to have the communication, the narration, the storyline, everything in sync and in alignment, worthy enough that your target audience connects with you. That is also one reason why branding is no more optional. Like the days, when advertising and marketing could actually behold a business, turn it into a corporate, and the ATL and BTL medias will do the rest of the job. So currently, branding is more important for even these kind of traditional businesses or the B2B marketing businesses, because currently this is not just a tactic, it's a strategy where people are required to be involved. People are required to be there as the use cases or the case studies, talking about their experiences, their growth story, and that is what is important, because with marketing, advertising, and a corporate business in place, you can exist. But if you have to emerge as something which is there, to stay, to stick, to bring something new, any sort of emergence, you need branding. And that is why it is no more optional.